Today I'm going to show you an inconspicuous way of making ornamental meshes out of any alphabet and use them inside ZBRUSH. So let's dive in. First off, head over to Photoshop, select the target part of the image and fill it with the white color. Also add a layer and fill it with the black color. Shift the white filled layer to the top and make sure it has adequate space on the borders. After that, go to the filter menu and add a Gaussian blur. This will prevent any inadvertent distortion while applying the alpha inside ZBRUSH. Ultimately export your file in PNG file format, then we're done with Photoshop. Up next, jump over to ZBRUSH, go to the alpha palette and import your alpha map. Again, in the alpha palette, hit that infamous flip vertical button. Then go down to the Make 3D subpalette and modify the desired resolution and thickness, and tap on the Make 3D in the final. Now ZBRUSH is gonna do a quick calculation and deliver your mesh. From there you can go to the brush palette and hit the Create Inset Mesh button. Now you have your ornamental mesh ready to deploy. For instance, let's say we have a sword, which needs to have an ornamental sign on its guard which is rounded. Make certain the projection strength is set to a higher value. Then drag your brush on the surface. Bear in mind that the higher projection value, along with the higher poly count in the ornamental mesh, might slow down the action. Now here is the result. You could use this method in 3D printing and high poly modeling pipelines. Alternatively, you can get this result by using Shadowbox,